Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic for all the Roblox players out there. How to disable background data on Roblox, especially if you're looking to save some data on your Android device. So, let's get started. First, grab your Android device and head to the Settings menu. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see Apps. Tap on that option to view all the applications installed on your device. Next, locate the Roblox app from the list. It's usually easy to find since it's a popular app. Once you've found it, give it a tap to open the app information screen. Now, look for the option that says Mobile Data. This is where you can manage how Roblox uses your data. After tapping on Mobile Data, you'll see several settings related to data usage. The final step is simple. Find the toggle for Allow Background Data Usage and turn it off. This will prevent Roblox from using data when you're not actively playing, helping you save on your mobile data plan. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled background data on Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy gaming!